Hi, welcome to Provoke Your Physics channel. இன்னைக்கு Gauss law and அதோட application இதை பத்தி கொஞ்சம் பார்ப்போம். So Gauss law அப்படின்னு வரப்போ first we have to know the definition properly. According to Gauss law, the flux passing through a closed surface is equal to the net charge enclosed by the surface அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லுவாங்க. அதாவது electric flux phi E is equal to Q enclosed by epsilon naught. இதுதான் Gauss law, right? இப்போ there is a question, what is flux? இந்த fluxனா என்ன? Actually என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படின்னா flux is a physical quantity resembling to the flow of energy of some quantity, like flow of water கூட நம்ம எடுத்துக்குறோம். Flow of water, okay, per rate of flowing of water per meter squared, okay, rate of volume of water per meter squared, அதுதான் flow அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லுவோம். Okay, but usually, okay, when we are using the water tap, okay, with the help of the flow of water from the tap, okay, we could judge, okay, how much the water capacity of the tank. Am I correct or wrong? See, when the tank is full, how the flow of water will be? Of course, more. When the tank is going to be empty, the flow of water will be differ. Then we can estimate, okay, only this much of water will be available. When the water is coming very slowly, then we will confirm the tank is going to be empty. So here we can measure the volume of the water available. Similarly, here the flux is used to measure, okay, what is the strength of electric field at a particular place. For that, okay, there is a formula called phi E is equal to closed integral of E ds. Okay, what is closed in E ds cos theta? Okay, what is closed integral? Okay, this flux can be measured in a closed surface only. Closed surface, if I have taken a point charge, okay, if I have taken a point charge, around the charge I can consider any sphere. Around the charge I can consider any cube. Okay, by the way, I can chosen any geometrical shape. From there, how the electric field will be available, okay, we can measure by using Gauss law. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Provoke Your Physics channel. Now, in Gauss law, how the angle between electric field and the surface vector will be affected the electric flux. அதை எப்படின்னு பார்ப்போம். So actually I told you the flux is related to flow. Actually what is flow? Flow is the rate of volume of flow per unit area அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லுவோம். இங்க என்ன அப்படின்னா rate of flow of energy, okay, in a given area. Rate of flow of energy in a given area. Okay, let us consider the electric field will be moving in this way. Okay, so in which I am just placing a particular area, or I have chosen particular area, okay, so in three different ways. Look at, so in the first way I am keeping, or I am considering the area, okay, which is parallel to the flow, Another one is I am placing an area that is a closed area, okay, perpendicular to the flow. And the third one is I am placing, okay, at an angle theta with its flow. So how the area vector can be measured, okay, by considering this one. Suppose if this is area, okay, now so this will be its surface vector ds, and for this this will be the surface vector ds. And for this will be the surface vector. Okay, so in this case, see, now the electric field will be moving in this way. Okay, the ds will be acting in this side. Okay, so here the theta will be equal to 180 degree, and here theta will be equal to 90 degree, and here the theta will be equal to, okay, so that is obtuse angle. Here theta will be obtuse angle. Okay, so here 180 degree, here obtuse angle. So the formula for measuring electric flux, phi E is equal to closed integral of E ds cos theta. Okay, when theta is equal to 90 degree, here the flux will be equal to 0. When theta is equal to 180 degree, so I know that cos 180 is equal to -1. So here I will have the flux will be equal to minus E ds. And here I can have, depend on the value of theta, the flux will be differ. Thank you. If you like this video, please share, subscribe. Thank you.